Question 24. Ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, is the main dissolved acid in vinegar. Ethanoic acid is a weak acid. What is meant by acid and weak acid? Okay, now this is very mean that they've done this. Okay, and many of you are caught out by the fact that you've got two definitions in one. It's only 1 mark, but you have to define acid and weak acid. Okay, if you missed either one of them out, you couldn't get the mark. Okay, so let's think first of all, what is an acid? An acid is a proton donor. Okay, and a weak acid partially dissociates. Okay, let's get my spelling right. Always miss that second S out there. So you have to make reference to both of those to get the mark. So an acid is a proton donor or releases hydrogen ions, or hydrogen ion donor. Okay, and the weak acid is something that partially dissociates or partially ionizes, but both of them must be present. Part B. Aluminium is reacted with ethanoic acid. The unbalanced equation for the reaction is shown below. Balance the equation. Okay, hopefully at this stage in your chemistry careers you should be able to balance the equation with relative ease. Okay, so if we look at this then, what have we got? Well, I've got 3 lots of CH3COO here, so I'm going to have to balance this equation out by doing this. I'm going to need to put 6 of those, therefore giving me 2 of those. I'm going to need 3 hydrogens and I'm going to need 2 aluminiums. Okay. Part 2. This reaction is a redox reaction. Deduce which element has been oxidized and which element has been reduced, and state the changes in oxidation number. Okay, you know your rules. You just need to make sure you apply them the right way. And remember, when you're working out oxidation number, you're working out per atom. Okay, so let's go across this reaction. Starting off here, aluminium is an uncombined element. So uncombined elements always have an oxidation number of 0. Okay, so let's check aluminium here. Aluminium has now become part of an ionic compound. It's now a simple ion. So the aluminium here has got to be +3. We know aluminium's in group 3, it forms a 3+ ion. The ethanoic ion here is a 1- ion, therefore aluminium's +3. So the element oxidized is aluminium. Remember, oxidation number goes up for oxidation, so it's oxidized from 0 to +3. You must put the symbol in. You cannot just leave it as a 3. You must have the symbol. Reduced. What's been reduced? Okay. Well, here I've got hydrogen being +1. Okay, the ethanoic ion has stayed at -1 either on both times. The hydrogen here is uncombined, it's 0. So the hydrogen has been reduced from +1 to 0. Again, you must have the plus. Without the symbols, you get nothing. Okay? If you work them out correctly but mix them up, I put hydrogen +1 to 0, aluminium 0 to +3, the wrong way round, you got 1 mark.